Hi, so this is how to clone yourself in Sony Vegas. It's fairly straightforward. What you do is you record yourself twice. So you record yourself on, say, the right hand side, and then you record yourself on the left hand side. I'll show you the clips. So I've got a right hand side clip here, and you set up the camera to just one setting, and that's it. You don't move it at all during recording. So it's just one setting and you can't move it. So here's the right hand setting. So you see, I come into the frame here. So I want to start it from there. I'm going to mute it. Don't need the audio for this, but you can use audio as well. So that's me on the right hand side. One tip is, at the end, make sure you leave plenty of camera recording of nothing there, because the two clips might be slightly different length, and this will help edit it. I'll show you in a second. Now I've got the left hand one, so I'm going to put the left hand one underneath. The left hand one actually coming from that side. A second, so coming from there, that side, so I'm going to put that one there. The clips, I'm going to make them about the same length, so when I leave the room I'm going to end it, and when I leave the room, about there. So that's my two clips together. Now to overlay them both, I use a mask. So on the top one, on the one for the right hand side, I click this button here, event pan and crop, or you can right mouse on the track and go into video event pan and crop like that. Now I want to tick the mask checkbox at the bottom, and then I want to get about halfway along and hold down the mouse. So you start left mouse, click at the top and hold it down until the bottom, and then release. It doesn't matter if it's not exact, you can move it around afterwards. So now you can move it and tweak it to wherever you want. So I'm going to move it a little bit this way. So now, as you can see, one's dark and one's light. Now I should go back into the main view. You can see here on the preview that one's lighter and darker than the other. This is just a feathering thing. So in here you get some settings. You want to keep it as these default settings. You want to feather type both, and then you want to set it to about, I found about 20, and that takes the line away like that, and it's that simple. Now I can close it. So that's the setting set. So I'm going to go from the beginning. I'm going to mute. So you can see the two together, and you can't see the join in between. So you can interact with yourself, but it's just getting the timing right, and that's how you duplicate yourself. Give it a try.